My name is Pradeep Kolte. I am Area Sales Manager for Roxel NV. Roxel NV is a Belgium-based company, and it has got automation, poultry equipment manufacturing, design, development and supply worldwide through distributor network. We operate more than 200 countries, and we provide service on local basis also country-wise, and we have service desk which is 24/7, and all poultry equipment automation product for Roxel is designed well considering the industry's requirement to save the feed and give the better productivity for the breeders, broilers, to get more number of chicks, to distribute the feed simultaneously throughout the house at the same time uniformly. These are the key success points for our product. It is suitable for all industry actually, but mainly adoption is being done till date in large scale, since on the large scale basis we can save a lot of labor, but today in today's scenario we can save labor cost or the human effort on small scale also. It is a European technology and it is own design and developed by Roxel NV on its own. The hatching egg capacity and breeding, it depends on the type of breed and number of egg production also. But what we try to achieve through our system is we try to achieve the better uniformity of the flock, so we get better peak production and more number of chicks in shortest possible time. It is only yellow one because see, colorful one is a type of breed, and only the yellow one is basically all standard breed which are developed is or only yellow base. Yellow and they become white. Yellow is only for day old chick color. Our manufacturing facility is located in Belgium near Brussels. It is 80 kilometers from Brussels. See, our objective and aim to serve the poultry industry and provide the better and proven product to help and to increase the productivity of the farmer. See, we are participating right from beginning in IPMR, and we are getting good response. And this year also it is a very good response to the show. Year by year, IPMI, if you look at it, has started in small way. We have participated in hall number 1, but now eventually, if you look at today, we are expanded to 3 halls, and still there are 30 people who are in the wait listed who have not received the stall. So, in short, I would say every year IPMI is growing and providing better platform to industry.